check out this Turkish eggs, like make
Pray to start experiencing the power of God in response to your prayer life, wherever you are. I want us to get ready. We are about to enter into our prayer. But one thing I want us to know, there are wicked powers that are moving up and down weekly.
Hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. So set of today, what I want to wear is Kahali. I bought the mini size, the travel size, because again, I like to test out perfumes before I purchase the perfume. I just feel like, to me, that's safer because I've never smelled the rock candy before, and I don't like going to the stores and smelling a bunch of perfumes because then it hurts me and gives me a headache. So I just see it, I feel like it's gonna be good. I buy the mini size and this is fantastic. This smells so good. It has vanilla, it has rock candy, and I believe I can't remember the other note, but it smells so, oh my gosh, this is a good perfume. I'm telling you, like early fall, late summer, fantastic. And I also got this perfume from Marshall's. It is called Creme Brulee by Bijou, and this smells really good too. I just like to top it off with this too. So that is the scent of today. Oh my gosh, I wish you can take a whiff of this fragrance that I'm putting on. It smells fantastic. Okay, so I've been loving this facial oil that I got from Marshall's as well. It is so fantastic. It just gives you this nice suppleness to your skin. And you think I got it from like Sephora because it's such a gorgeous bottle, right? I love it. So for a reset week, we are going for a walk. We're continuing our walking journey. We're going for walks. I think for me, low impact is good. Come home and continue like a high impact at home, like arm workout, you know, stomach workout, things for your, like my lower legs. But going for like an hour walk, just walking. And then later on, I'll probably invest in, you know, what is it called, gym clothes, like maybe or maybe leggings. I'm not a big fan of leggings, but maybe something like that, or in a top probably, you know. So comment that below, like, how do you do your reset week, how do you do your routines when you're setting up for a reset? So for me, I just tend to, you know, put everything together, put all my goals, check off the box for that week, and make sure that my meals are prepared. That's the number one thing, because with the meals, right, if they're not prepared, you will fall into eating junk or snacking on things that are not for you. And again, that's fine. For me, you know, you do have those days where you're just like, I just want that. There's nothing wrong with that. Take it, eat it. But when you plan your meals and you see those meals in your fridge, oh my gosh, it's easy to just grab those healthy meals and eat, and you feel satisfied, you know? So, and then we are going to the farmer's market that is like 20 minutes away from my neighborhood, because I love organic items. Like, I love veggies, I love produce. I just like everything to be just from the ground, from the root, right? I just love it. I love organic things. And my mom, she also wants marmalade and jam. So I have been seeing, I did some research, and I saw that in the farmers market they do have marmalade, jams, and especially fresh produce. And I also want to get some herbs and some plants as well, because I love to garden. I feel like it's very, very, you know, peaceful. It is very therapeutic, and it just makes your mind like calm. Oh my gosh, please excuse me. That was my tablet letting me know that I have an alarm, or maybe an alert or something like that. That was my tablet. Please excuse me. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I'm gonna go run some errands by, you know, going to grocery shopping, and also preparing for my daughter to go back to school, and also I'm gonna restock on my skincare items as well. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do for our reset week. We're gonna go check out the farmers market. It is gonna be so fantastic. And then I also want to check out Mom's. Mom's is an organic store in that area too, which is 20 minutes away from me. And I want to get kimchi. I'm obsessed with kimchi. I think you should know this by now. I want some kimchi. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out. And yeah, and if you love this channel, please subscribe, and also please like and share and comment. All right. This is cool. And I think those are grapes. It looks like it, right? I think these are grapes. Check out your local farmers market. It's so cool. It says on here $2.99. Lip gloss. And today's Friday, so it's my cheat day. So I'm gonna make Turkish eggs. So yeah, just run some errands, do some editing, do some work for my job, and then do some editing. And yeah, just decided to put my hair this way today. I think it's cute in a way. And I bought this, I want to get some items from Marshall's, like body wash, because I need some body wash. What else? If you hear like birds in the background, open in my kitchen, they perch on this tree that's in front of my window. It's a huge tree, so that's where you hear like birds chirping, because I just like I like natural breeze. I'm gonna cook. I want to make egusi soup, just a little bit, and then make ogbono. Ogbono is like okra. Oh, you guys, I don't know, I think here okra is like okra. I think I've heard some people say okra, but we say okra. It looks like that. It's slimy and it's delicious. It's ogbono soup. My daughter and I were like, we want some Nigerian food, so I'm gonna make that a little bit as well, and then make other food, maybe like pasta, little rice, plantains. You know, I'm trying to watch my carbs, so I'm not eating too much rice. I'm just fixing my hair. Yeah, I got this really cute hair bow from Marshall's. So cute. I bought it for my daughter at first, and then I was like, wait, let me try it on, and it's so adorable, and I just love it. I'm boiling my water now, so let's get into it. Be right back. Okay, we got the eggs, we got the boiling water. Let's get into it. Okay, you definitely need to check out this Turkish eggs. Like make it today. They're so fantastic. So I had blood orange sparkling, I think lemonade or something like that. You need to try this Turkish eggs. So good. Like this, oh my gosh, perfection. All over my feed. It is, now I see why it's all over my feed. Let me tell you, it is so good, and it's just like few ingredients. All you need is like yogurt, some like pepper. I use hot chili paste that I got from Asian market, garlic, dill. You can use parsley. I've seen parsley as well. Poached egg. With the poached egg, you want to boil the water, then lower the heat, like make it simmer, because you want it to, like the poached egg, you want it to cook slowly, and then put a little bit of vinegar. It doesn't taste like vinegar, the eggs, just a little bit of vinegar, not too much, like maybe 1 tablespoon, not tablespoon, just a little bit, just a tiny bit, you know, tablespoon, teaspoon, it's your preference. You won't taste the vinegar, and then put the egg in a separate bowl. If you want to do 2 or 3 eggs, I did 3, and then pour it in the pan, and then turn off the heat, and let it cook for like 4 minutes. You will have fantastic poached eggs. I kid you not. And the Greek sauce, or not Greek sauce, the yogurt. So it's going to be, I use non-fat Greek yogurt, and then I put garlic, and I put dill, and then I put black pepper and sea salt, Himalayan pink sea salt, pink salt, right? I think it's pink salt. And then I mix that, and then the chili sauce is butter and, you know, something hot like cayenne pepper, paprika, or hot pepper, or the chili paste that I use, and just let that, you know, bake or simmer just like a minute or so, and pour it or drizzle over your yogurt. Get some bread, toast it. You don't need a baguette, but you want something that is like a little bit hard, like a baguette, and just toast it and give it a good crunch. It's delicious, let me tell you. It is good. This is perfection. You need to try this Turkish eggs. So good. Like this, oh my gosh, perfection. Now I see why it's all over my feed. Mmm.